All right, welcome. And now we're going to talk about plotting or graphing equations by plotting points. Okay, so if we understand that an equation is a relationship between two variables, right? And we can represent that relationship algebraically. We've seen examples of that. And we can also represent that relationship using a graph. Okay, and so one way is to plot points to show. So let's look at an example or talk more about it. Let's say we have a relationship between x and y, and this relationship says that y is always 2 more than x. Okay, so we can represent that as an equation that says, okay, for every value of x, y is going to be 2 more than that, and so we're going to add 2 to every value of x. Okay, so now with this, now we can say, okay, what is the solution to this equation? Okay, so now if we write the set of all solutions, we say that that is the solution set for this equation, right? So for example, if I use 0, right, then that means 0, 2 is a solution. Or 1, what? 1, 3 is a solution. Or 2, 4 is a solution. Or 5, 7. So all of these are solutions because if you take each one of these points and stick it into the equation, you get a true statement. For example, 2, 4. So if I stick in 2 for x and 4 for y, what happens? I get 4 equals 4, which is a true statement. Okay? So any point, any ordered pair, right? Any ordered pair that I stick into the equation that makes the equation a true statement is in the solution set. Now, if I take the solution set and I plot those points on a rectangular plane, then that gives me the graph of the equation. Okay, so now with this thing here, with this part here, all I have to do, I'm going to graph this. Let's say if I wanted to graph, all I need are 2 points. So let's just do this. So we got 1, 3, 1, 3, negative 1, 3, negative 1, negative 3. Okay, so now let's take 0, 2, right? So 0, 2 is right here, okay? And let's plot 2, 4. So 2, 4 is right here. And now, since this is a straight line, or let's do another one. Let's do, well, what about negative 2, right? So if I put a negative 2, that'll give me negative 2, 0. Okay, so if I go negative 2, 0, now I'm right there. So I have 3 points, right? So now if I connect these 3 points, that gives me the graph of the line. So another way of looking at this is any point on the line is in the solution, right? So because to be in the solution would have to be on the line. Okay, to be a solution would have to be on the line, or a point on the line has to be in the solution. Okay? All right. We'll do some examples.